Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find hidden apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in iPhone there is an option where you can hide your apps. So I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So I want to hide the Twitter apps right now. I'm going to select and press it, and here I can see the option require Face ID. Select that option and hide and require Face ID. I'm going to select that option here, and it will require my Face ID to recognize that I'm using the phone, and I'm going to select the hide application here. As you can see, the application the Twitter application is now hidden. So to find the hidden apps, I'm going to go to the setting option here, and go to the general option here, and go to iPhone storage. And here is all the apps that I currently use. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, and here I can find which application I have hidden with my face recognition technology. So I'm going to select this. It will require Face ID again. And here you can see I have two applications that is hidden. One is X and another one is my useful application. So I'm going to go back and show how you can find the ID. So swipe left and find the app library, and here you can see a hidden app library that shows. Just tap that one, and here you're gonna have to tap that one. And here you can see after detecting my face, all the hidden application is there. So if you want to unhide that, all you have to do is simply press and hold the application and select don't require Face ID. Select it, and it will scan your face and it will unhide the application again. If I go to X, Twitter, you can see the X account here. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.